Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 8.3 question number 8. Amina buys a book for rupees 275 and sells it at a loss of 15%. How much does she sell it for? Here, let us solve this problem. Here is given Amina buys a book for rupees 275. That is cost price is given. Cost price is equal to rupees 275 275 and loss, it is given loss is equal to 15%. Let cost price is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, selling price is equal to rupees 100 minus 15, right? That is 85, right? Because loss is 15%, right? Let us take cost price as 100. Therefore, selling price will be rupees 85. We have to find the selling price. When cost price is rupees 100, selling price is rupees 85. When cost price is rupees 1, when cost price is rupees 1, selling price is rupees 85 by 100. When cost price is rupees 275, cost price is rupees 275, then selling price is rupees 85 by 100 into 275, right? 275. Let us find 275. Therefore, we are getting, if we cut this by 5, it is 5 to the 10, it is 0, 5 1 ja 5, 35, 5 7 35, again 5 4 ja 20, it is 5, 5 5 ja 25, 625, 5 5 ja 25, right? It will not be divided, and it comes to, first multiply 55 with 17, multiply 55 by 17, that is 5 7 35, 3, it is 5, 5 7 35 plus 3, 38, and it is 5 1 5, 5, that comes to 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, carry 1, 4 plus 5 is 9, 935, right? Now if you divide 935 by 4, what you are getting? It is 935 divided by 4. Now if you divide 935 by 4, what you are getting? You see 935 divided by 4. Here we are dividing 935 dividing by 4, right? 935 divided by 4, right? Now 4 2 ja 8, 9 minus 8 is 1, it is 3, therefore 4 3 ja 12, 13 minus 12 is 1, and this is 15, right? Again 4 3 ja 12, 15 minus 12 is 3, right? Now point point, it is 0. The 4 7 is 28, 4 7 is 28, 28, 30 minus 28, that is 2. Point is there, here it is 0, and 4 5 is 20, 4 5 is 20. Right? Therefore, the value is 233.75. Therefore, you can write it here as rupees 233.75. Right? What is the question? How much does she sell it for? Therefore, Amina sells the book for rupees 233.75. Therefore, we can say the answer as Amina sells sells the book Amina sells the book at rupees 233.75. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.